Now, children, we will see sudden movement. So already we learned that slow movement is constructive. Now sudden movement, that means all of a sudden. So here already I told you sudden movements is the result of sudden movement is in form of earthquake, volcano, which is followed by tsunami. Now earth means ground. Quake means trembling of earth. Earthquake is the movement of earth crust. You have been acquainted with the magnitude and effects of earthquake through the activity at the beginning of chapter. Children, if you open your textbook, you can see the picture of the devastation of earthquake in Kathmandu, which is situated in Nepal. Already you know that it brought much destruction during that year, and so many people they died due to this earthquake. Powerful earthquake rocks Nepal, and nearly 1500 people were killed. So, and it was calculated on Richter scale of the magnitude 7.9. So this was sudden movement, and sudden movement means the earth was starting trembling, and sudden quake means trembling. So it was all of a sudden, and what happened? There was shaking of earth, and which was very powerful. You have been you know that during earthquake it is very all of a sudden, and people they are not able to think that what should be done suddenly. But now we are having so many uh, mm, uh, um, rules are there, like disaster management. Under disaster management we can be trained, or students can be trained, and for what should be steps should be taken during earthquake. So now we will see sudden movement. So earthquake is a result of sudden movement. Now what happened during earthquake? Earthquake is also known as quake, tremor, or trembler of the shaking of surface of earth resulting from the sudden release of energy in the earth lithosphere. The it creates it creates certain waves. Earthquake can range in size from those that are so weak that they cannot those violent enough to toss people around and destroy whole cities. you know Cities are destroyed. So many people they died during this earthquake. The seismic activity of an area refers to its frequency, type, and size of earthquake experience period of time. So children, when earthquake happen, so it can be calculated on Richter scale, and I will tell you that which instrument is used to calculate earthquake. Understood? So whenever you will read a news about earthquake, so you should know that there must be a epicenter. A center is there, and from there waves are created. Children, in previous slides or class I told you that waves are generated due to high temperature which is present inside the earth. The temperature is above 4000 degrees centigrade, and as a result the movement is there inside earth. Understood? So due to this high temperature, the earthquake is there, the formation is there above earth surface, and so many formations are there due to this high temperature. Now we will see the causes of earthquake. What happened? Why this earthquake is there? Moving of plates. There are 7 plates below our continent, various continents. Colliding of plates, tectonic plates, plates sliding one below other. Forming of fracture in rock layers due to tension in the interior of the earth. Occurring of volcanic eruption. So these are the causes of earthquake. Unless these things are not happen, earthquake cannot happen. So these causes are there, and due to this earthquake happen.